Today we're going to work on making sets of 10 to 15. For this lesson, we are going to use farm animals. For this lesson, you may need a piece of paper. Your teacher may have provided you with a set maker already. If not, you can take a piece of paper and draw a circle. You're also going to need to have numbers 10 through 15 visually available for your child. So you can write them on Post-its, write them on a separate sheet of paper. If you have a small whiteboard at home to write out the number, you are going to place the number above the set maker for your child to see how many need to go in the set. You also will need some sort of manipulative for this activity. So you can use some sort of blocks or toy that your child has 15 of. You can also use dry pasta, beans, goldfish, popcorn, something small that you have 15 of that is easy for your child to move. All right, so let's get started. It says make a set of 11. So we have our number above the set maker. How many pigs need to go in the set? We can look at our number. That's what tells us there needs to be 11. So we need to count 11 pigs, put 11 pigs in the circle to make a set of 11. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Notice how I put the pigs in the set in rows. That way it is easier to count from left to right. When we count, we want to touch each pig one time. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We made a set of 11 pigs. Awesome job. Let's look at the next question. It says, make a set of 15. Ooh, this time we're making a set of 15 cows. All right. So how many need to go in our set maker? 15. You can touch the number and point to it to remind your child how many cows need to go in this set. All right, so we need to count our 15 cows and move our 15 manipulatives into the set. Ready? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, if it's too hard for your child to put 15 in rows like this when they move their manipulatives into the set, you can also help them to move them into lines once they go to count to double check how many they made the set of. All right, everyone, so now we need to check to make sure how many cows are in the set. There should be 15, so we need to count 15. Ready? So now you can pause the video and have your child count themselves. And once they finish counting, we can check together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We made a set of 15 cows. Good job. See the next one. It says, make a set of how many? What number is this? 13. We need to make a set of 13. So we have baby chicks to make a set of 13. What do we have to do with the baby chicks? We have to put them in the circle to make our set. Ready? I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We made a set of 13 chicks. Let's count them again to make sure we have 13. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We made a set of 13 chicks. Great job. Let's see what the next one is. It says, make a set of 10. We have to make a set of 10. Can you tell what animal this is? It's a horse. We have to make a set of 10 horses. All right, so this time I want you to make your set first on your own. So remember, you need to put 10 objects in your circle. Make sure to count out as you are going. You can pause the video here and have your child continue to make their set. Now I am going to make our set of horses. Ready? We need to count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Can you check to make sure that I put the right amount of horses? There should be 10. You can count to 10, count the horses, and make sure that there are 10. So you can pause the video here and have your child count the horses. I'm going to count now. Ready? I'm going to check with you now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We made a set of 10 horses. Great job. It says, make a set of how many? 12. We have to make a set of 12. This time we are using sheep. All right. So we need to count out 12 sheep. We need to put our 12 sheep in the circle. Ready? Please count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, we need to count our sheep to make sure that we have 12. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job! We made a set of 12 sheep. All right, let's see. This time we have to make a set of how many? 14. We have to make a set of 14, and we are going to use roosters. All right, so we need to move the roosters in the circle. All right, so we need to count out 14 roosters. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now we need to check to make sure we have 14 roosters in our set. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Awesome job. We made a set of 14 roosters. All right, Star D and the rest of MSA, we have finished making our sets. So if you would like now, you can have your child make the sets on their own if they didn't do so during this video.